The world of 1700s Britain context for coins. The 1700s were unlike any other century in British history. It was the century of powerful monarchs like Queen Anne, King George I, George II, and George III. Britain expanded its influence across oceans, fought several wars, built new trade routes, and entered the early stages of the Industrial Revolution. But beneath all of that, coins played a silent but crucial role. Coins weren't just money, they were symbols of power. Every coin carried the face of the king or queen, meaning every penny you touched reminded you of who ruled your world. Minting coins in the 1700s was not easy. Machines were primitive, metals were expensive, and minting errors were extremely common, which is why error coins from this century are worth a fortune today. Now let's explore each legendary coin of this era. Chapter 2. The 1707 Acts of Union Coins. The year 1707 changed everything. England and Scotland officially united to form Great Britain. To celebrate this monumental event, special commemorative coins were minted. These coins often featured symbols like the joined English and Scottish shields, crowns merged into one design, national emblems combined for the first time. Most of these coins were made in limited quantities, and many were later melted down due to metal shortages during wars. This makes surviving pieces incredibly rare today. Collectors today pay anywhere from $500 to $1,500 for even heavily worn versions. If you're lucky enough to find one in high grade, it could be worth several $1,000s. Whenever this coin appears in auctions, collectors fight for it, not just because of its age, but because it represents the birth of an entire nation. Chapter 3. The Gold Guinea, the king of British coins. No coin from the 1700s is as iconic as the gold guinea. The name Guinea comes from the African region of Guinea, where much of the gold was sourced. But what makes the 1717 guinea so legendary? It was valued by one of the most famous scientists in history, Sir Isaac Newton, who served as the master of the Royal Mint. In 1717, it was Newton who set the guinea's value at 21 shillings, a decision that shaped British currency for over a century. The coin itself is stunning, pure gold, a portrait of the king. Intricate shield designs, deep rims, heavy weight that feels rich in your hand. Today, a single 1717 gold guinea can be worth $3,000 for an average piece, $5,000, $10,000 for a well-preserved piece, up to $20,000 for a rare variant or high-grade example. Collectors call, and when you hold one, you can feel why. Chapter 4. The 1760 George to halfpenny era legends. The 1700s had imperfect minting technology. Dies cracked, letters doubled, coins were struck off-center. The 1760 George II halfpenny is one of the most error-prone coins in British history. You will find misaligned king's portrait, double-struck letters, soft,